All we need is that police department.
And I did tell them as soon as we were done, they would be ready for us, so they should sign on. And she was telling them when we ended our phone call that we were all set to sign on.
Okay. So you're burning the midnight oil in that office, huh?
I'm trying.
A lot of courts are all still batting down.
Yes, and everything is backing up, so I'm nervous for when the floodgates open.
All right. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, you know what's going to happen. Everybody's going to get evicted at the same time.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
There he is. Good morning.
Good morning.
Lieutenant Al Hindman, the magistrate. We have the attorney present for Lamika and Tally.
Kelly? So you can see the, hey, step over just a bit.
Miss Tally, Al Hindman, the magistrate, your attorney's present. She's going to put her appearance on the record.
Good morning, Leanna Belcher on behalf of Miss Tally.
You waive the formal reading?
That is correct. Stand mute and ask that you set her matter for a probable cause conference. I have confirmed her contact information and did send a confirming email to Andy.
I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. If this is going to cooperate. I'm going to schedule this matter for a probable cause hearing on December 30th this year, 9 a.m. courtroom number 2 by Zoom. It's going to be at 9:10 a.m. Sergeant, I've read your bond request. I'm going to release Miss Tally on a $2,000 personal bond.
Okay, yeah.
Hold on. Miss Tally, no contact with the complainant victim in this case. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, other than that, Leanna, you're good, correct?
I am, thank you.
Can I have the case number, please?
Sergeant, the case number is 19-3868.
Thank you.
And I think that wraps this arraignment up. Andy, do we agree?
I have two more that didn't request the MDIC.
I'm going to jump to them. I'm just knocking out this one here.
Oh, okay.
Yep, I believe we're all set for Tally.
Thank you so much, everyone. Stay safe.
Catterson will be next, and we have the attorney here. I'm going to bring him in. Good morning, counsel. It'll be just a moment. We'll begin the arraignment.
Okay, thank you.
Just bring her back here. Thank you.
Good morning.
You can go over there and have a seat. I can have you slide down there a little bit. Thank you. I'm bringing in Miss Chatterson as we speak.
Yeah.
She was out in the lobby there.
Andy, what's the next time for the PCC?
If it's PR, it would be 9:20 a.m.
Ms. Harrison, come on over here, please. Just need you to stand in front. You'll be on the video there. See your attorney. There you go.
Good morning. Your full name for the record,
Megan Chatterson,
your middle name.
Elizabeth.
Ms. Chatterson, you have an attorney present in the courtroom. He's going to put his appearance on the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Megan Chatterson. Bar number is 37259.
Okay, you're waiving the formal reading.
Judge, she waives the formal reading. We'd ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, Ms. Chatterson, your attorney's waiving the formal reading of the complaint. I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I'm going to schedule this matter for a probable cause hearing. That's going to be December 30th this year at 9:20 a.m. Zoom courtroom number 2 at the 34th District Court. I've read the bond request from the PD, and I don't think your attorney has an issue with it. Your bond's going to be $2,000 or $2,500 personal. You can't purchase, consume, or possess any mood-altering substance on this bond. Hold on. Right, you're good with that, correct?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Sergeant, you're all set on that, correct?
Yes, thank you.
Case number 201638. We agree, Andy, because it looks like a 7, but I know it's not. It's 1638, correct?
201638, correct.
Okay. Other than that, that wraps this arraignment up.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Out with this office.
So next we have Lamar. She has 3 cases and there is no attorney appearing.
Ho, ho, ho. And this is Carla Elise Lamar, correct?
Yes.
Carla, give me a minute to do some paperwork, okay?
Mhm.
We're just going to start this off with a misdemeanor complaint. Alleged offense date December 13th this year, 35611 Stephanie, apartment 103. The complainant victim in this case is a Byron Martell Sanders. You're charged with 1 count of domestic violence. They're alleging that you did make an assault or assault and battery upon a Byron Sanders individual who you had a child in common or an individual who you had a dating relationship. That's in violation of 750.81 paren 2. It's a misdemeanor that if you're found guilty on that charge, you could be sentenced up to 93 days in jail and fined up to $500. Because you don't have an attorney present today, I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. This case is going to be scheduled for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. Is that going to be a state prosecutor, correct, Andy?
Yep, it's a state prosecutor.
You're going to be scheduled for a pretrial with the state prosecutor.
I do have the date whenever you're ready for it.
Go ahead.
January 28th, 9:10.
Hold on.
Will that be on Zoom also?
Yes, Zoom courtroom number 2,
Number 2, thank you.
Judge Oakley, January 28th, 9:10 a.m.
January, pretrial state prosecutor, January 28th of 2021, 9:10 a.m., Zoom courtroom number 2. Um, Ho, ho, ho. Sergeant, any comments on bond on this case?
Yes, we are requesting a cash bond, no contact with the victim, Byron Sanders, along with a tether. There was a previous case this year involving the defendant. It was a FA felonious assault DV. It was denied, but it sounds like we're having prior contacts with the individuals.
Carla, you show an address of 22472 West Road. That's where you live?
Yes.
You don't live at the Barrington, correct?
No, I don't.
All right, listen closely. You cannot return to, be in or around or near the address of 2035611 611 Stephanie Apartment 103. No contact with Byron Martell Sanders. No third party contact. That means you can't send a message to a family member or friend. No cell phone, text messaging. No contact, period. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
So you don't live there, so that shouldn't be a problem for you. Your bond on this case is $5,000, 10%, and you can only be released on the Wayne County Tether Program.
Case number, Judge?
Case number on this case is 20-1699.
Very good, thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
If I have evidence that he lied on me, how do I go about that?
That's why if you read in your advice of rights form, don't say anything right now. Anything that you have, any evidence that you're going to bring forward at your next hearing, you'll have your opportunity to cross-examine any people that testify against you, and you'll have your chance to bring people and evidence to testify on your behalf. You understand that?
Yes.
So Sergeant, that's going to wrap up this misdemeanor case.
Yes, it will. It'll wrap everything up. Thank you.
All right, so now we're going to move on. Carla Lamar, you have another case. It's a double parking. It's a civil infraction. It's an outstanding balance of $400 on this case. You're to make contact with the collections department on this case. Your cell phone number ends in 6309, correct?
Yes.
Pay close attention to it. The collections department will make contact with you, and we're going to have a review date when you come back on that pretrial date.
Okay.
I had contact with you on this case back in October, Ms. Lamar, and you failed to take care of that business. And if you're wondering why you have a bond on your other case, it's because bond's all about showing up in court.
Yes, I wasn't receiving any mail. So I didn't know I had any court dates.
All right, make sure, and collections is probably going to give you a call. The next case you have is the no proof of insurance with a offense date of September 4th of 2020. It's still outstanding. You owe 378 on that case. Your other case, just to back up, the double parking goes back to March of 2020. Your no proof of insurance is from September of 2020, an outstanding balance of 378. Again, collections will contact you. Andy, I think I wrapped it up. Do you agree?
As far as I can tell, yep.
Sergeant, you're good, correct?
Yes, thank you.
That wraps up Ms. Lamar on all of her cases. Good luck, Ms. Lamar.